So I'm about an hour out of Ridgecrest, whatever the hell the name of the city was, and everybody's probably still waiting there at the Honda dealer. And I'm gonna get off and change my layering and change my tunes and take a quick walk around break. There's always the risk with the RS of finding any place to park it. It always feels like the side stand is too long. It's worth noting that this particular intersection certainly makes you feel like you are in the middle of nowhere. I haven't seen any cars in a while, and they're just, it looks to me like 80, 90 miles in any direction. There is nothing. But there must be something, as you will see. Not too windy. Wow, the mountains are really gorgeous. I just had to get off and head east up. Oh, Smok on. Probably more profitable than Snap-on. Okay, cut it for a minute. That is the Smok on E-Head E-Shop. So that's really great, yeah? Here's one way to mount. So I can dig my way out of the sand here. Oh, I had to stretch my legs, man. I had to. Okay. Goose walk it out. I hate sand and grit. Nobody coming. Sand and gravel, my favorite.